Fellou. It's a piece of software that you install on your computer, most likely Windows and Mac. I'm not sure if they are on Windows yet, but for sure on Mac. And it's an agentic browser that allows you to perform specific tasks for you. It will do that for you. For example, yesterday I created this report on how to create and monetize an AI course for English educators. And I gotta tell you that there are quite interesting results here, and I will be reviewing this to see if there is something interesting for me that I can implement as I, build my online presence in this specific, well, let's say niche. To get started, all you need to do is you just hit tab and say deep research about nuclear science developments in May 2025. It seems like an abstract request, but what it's going to do next, it's going to outline the tasks it should perform. It can also go on your LinkedIn. Then you need to log in, and it can search things on your LinkedIn account. It can post for you on Twitter, on social media. And as you can see, I can just go hit run, and it's going to do that. You can see in real time what it's doing and track it, or just come back later and see the ready report. I am planning to create a long video about my experience with Fellou because I've been experimenting with it and plan to do more of that. So please stay tuned. Please do hit that subscribe button. Find this content useful. Like, subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you next in the video that will come up very, very soon. Goodbye.
You guys, if you want to see more of this kind of interesting stuff, especially about AI and how it can help teachers and other professionals, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. You won't regret it. Trust me. This Ranjit is telling you, don't miss out. Subscribe now and get more of this good stuff. ठीक है?
Thanks, Ranjit. Bye.
चलेगा boss. Take care and keep the learning going.